Assalamu alaikum, my beloved brothers and sisters. There comes a time in everyone's life when they feel completely alone. You try to reach out to people, but they are too busy. You hope your family will understand you, but sometimes they don't. You expect your friends to support you, but instead they mock you or even betray you. You give your best, and yet people criticize you. In such moments, the heart feels heavy. You think, why me? Why am I the one who has to go through this? Why has everyone left me? But let me remind you today, even if the entire world leaves you, Allah never leaves you. And when you learn to trust Him and when you learn to believe in yourself, you will discover a power inside you that you never knew existed. Crescent moon lessons from the life of the Prophet Latuf. Let us go back 1400 years. Think of the Prophet Muhammad, the most beloved to Allah, the leader of humanity. Did everyone support him when he started spreading the message of Islam? No. His own people, Quraysh, rejected him. They mocked him. They called him names. Some of them said he was a magician. Some said he was a madman. Others said he was a liar. But he was the most truthful, the most honest, the most trustworthy. When he stood in front of the Kaaba and said, "If I were to tell you that there is an army behind this mountain ready to attack you, would you believe me?" They all said, "Yes, we have never known you to lie." Yet when he said, "Then bear witness that there is none worthy of worship but Allah, and I am His messenger," they turned away. Imagine the pain. People who knew him best rejected him. His own uncles fought against him. His city, his society abandoned him. But what did he do? Did he say, "Everyone has left me, I cannot continue"? No. He turned to Allah. He trusted Allah. He believed in his mission. And today, my brothers and sisters, billions of people around the world testify that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This is proof. When people abandon you, but you hold on to Allah and you continue your mission, Allah will elevate you higher than you ever imagined. Water waved the story of the cave Hira. When the Prophet Yefwa and Abu Bakr Arabiklam, were migrating to Medina, the enemies chased them. They hid in the cave of Tower. Abu Bakr was afraid, not for himself but for the Prophet Dife. He said, "Ya Rasulullah, if they just look down, they will see us." And what did the Prophet reply? He said, "Allah tasan, in Allah hamanga, do not be sad, indeed, Allah is with us." The whole world was against them, but because Allah was with them, no one could harm them. So when you feel that everyone has left you, remember this verse. Do not be sad. Allah is with you. Rose the story of Osif Arabikin, Arabiclam, Arabicat, Arabicat, Arabica, Arabica, Arabica Leaf, Arabiclam, Arabic Scene, Arabiclam, Arabica Leaf. Arabic meme, think of Prophet Yusuf, Arabican, Arabicat, 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 Arabic meme. His own brothers threw him into a well. Imagine your own family, the people who are supposed to protect you, abandoning you. They sold him as a slave. Later, he was thrown into prison for a crime he never committed. Anyone else would have said, "My life is over. Yes, over. Everyone has left me. There is no hope." But Yusuf Arabikin, Arabiclam, Arabicate, Arabicat, Arabicat, Arabic, Arabiclam, Arabic Scene, Arabiclam, Arabic Elif, Arabic meme never gave up. He kept his faith in Allah. He worked hard. He was patient. And what happened? From the darkness of the well, from the loneliness of the prison, Allah raised him to become the ruler of Egypt. The same brothers who betrayed him came to him for help. This story teaches us, never let people's betrayal destroy your faith. Because the one who controls your destiny is Allah, not your family, not your friends, not your enemies. 5 modern examples of loneliness and success. It's not only the prophets who faced abandonment. Even in our times, great people were once left alone. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, abandoned by the world. Yet he came out to become the president of South Africa. Malcolm X betrayed, rejected, even hunted. Yet his voice still inspires millions. Abdul Kalam, born in poverty, selling newspapers as a boy. No support, no privilege. Yet he became the President of India and one of the most respected scientists in the world. Colonel Sanders, at the age of 65, rejected more than 1,000 times when he tried to sell his fried chicken recipe. Today, KFC is known globally. The lesson: every successful person has a chapter of loneliness in their story. But instead of giving up, they use that loneliness as fuel to succeed. Light bulb, why people leave you, my brothers and sisters. Have you ever wondered why people leave you in the first place? Sometimes Allah removes people from your life because they were stopping you from reaching your full potential. Sometimes Allah makes you taste loneliness so that you learn to depend only on Him. Sometimes people leave you because your vision is greater than their understanding. Do not be angry when people walk away. It may be Allah's way of protecting you. Seedling practical advice: how to believe in yourself when alone. 1. Turn to Allah in prayer, cry to Him in the last part of the night. Pour your heart out in sujood. Say, Ya Allah, the world has abandoned me, but you are always with me. 2. Speak to yourself positively, tell yourself, I am capable, because Allah has created me with potential. Do not wait for others to believe in you. Be your own supporter. 3. Keep working silently, don't rush to prove yourself to people. Work hard in silence. Your success will make the noise. 4. Be patient. Remember, patience is not just waiting, it is how you behave while waiting. Keep a good attitude, even when life is difficult. 5. Surround yourself with the right people, even if you don't have many. Find at least 1 or 2 people who inspire you and remind you of Allah. Quality matters more than quantity. Sunrise over mountains, the diamond analogy. Do you know how diamonds are made? They are formed under extreme pressure and heat. Without pressure, there is no diamond. Your loneliness, your difficulties, your betrayals, these are the pressures shaping you into a diamond. Do not curse the pressure. Embrace it because it is making you valuable. Broken heart, emotional reminder, maybe right now you feel broken. Maybe your heart aches because the people you trusted most betrayed you. Maybe you feel like no one understands you. But let me remind you, sometimes Allah breaks your heart to save your iman. Sometimes Allah removes people from your life to protect your future. Sometimes Allah makes you stand alone so that you finally realize you were never alone. He was always with you. So instead of crying for people who left, thank Allah for the lesson they taught you. Crescent moon, a personal reflection, my brothers and sisters. I want you to think every time in your life when you thought it's over, I cannot do it. Didn't Allah always open a door? You passed exams you thought you would fail. You would fail. You survived heartbreaks you thought would kill you. You overcame sickness you thought would finish you. And today you are still here, stronger than before. That itself is proof. Allah never left you. He never will. Dove the climax, walking alone with Allah, so walk with confidence. Even if people laugh at you, even if they leave you, even if they doubt you, remember, you and Allah are enough. Say to yourself every morning, even if the world is against me, if Allah is with me, I will win. Say before sleeping, even if I lose everything, if I have Allah, I have everything. Because true strength does not come from people's support. It comes from knowing that your Rabb is watching you, guiding you, protecting you. Cherry blossom closing dua and reminder, my beloved brothers and sisters, never let the absence of people make you forget the presence of Allah. Trust Him. Believe in yourself. Keep walking, even if alone. Because very soon, by the will of Allah, success will embrace you. And then the same people who doubted you will say, we always knew you could do it. May Allah grant us strength when we feel weak. May Allah grant us companionship when we feel alone. May Allah make us among those who rely only on Him. And may Allah grant us the sweetness of faith in every test of life. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.